guys, it's Daisy Lee from the Environmental Committee. We're here to just talk about the recycling program that we are going to be doing today.
You may have noticed in the past couple of days the new yellow bins around the school. These are the school's new recycling bins, and in a second we're going to show you a video made by the Environmental Committee about what can and can't be put in these bins.
Subject you got on next?
English.
Wait, hold on. There's two bins there. How will you know which bin to put in? Hey look, this bin says glass bottles, cardboard and cans.
I have a can.
Here you go.
Well done! Our wildlife thanks you. These are our newest recycling bins. So if you're ever going to go put some rubbish in the bin, look out for our yellow bins. You can find a recycle bin right here. And here! And right here. Also here. And here. Don't forget about here. Also right here. And right here. And one on this side of the bridge. Oh, thank you. And here at the cafe. We're trusting each of you to make the right decision and help protect our environment and wildlife by recycling. What you can put in our recycling bins: glass bottles, cardboard, cans, cartons, paper and plastic containers. What you cannot put in our recycling yellow bins: food scraps and plastic bags.
We would like to thank the rest of the environmental team for putting together that video on what can and can't be put into our recycling bins. And we would like to encourage the students around the school to check out the posters on the bin to make sure what you're putting inside there can actually be recycled.